Hey everybody, it's your girl Nyako, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make your own hot oil treatment. And I usually use my hot oil treatment about once a month when my hair is really dry and dull and it just needs some extra moisture and shine to it. So all you'll need is 3 ingredients, and you'll need some coconut oil. I have this unrefined virgin coconut oil. You'll also need some olive oil. I have this extra virgin olive oil here. You'll also need some vitamin E oil, and this is the one that I'm using here. And feel free to mix and match your oils. If you have jojoba oil or avocado oil, you can use that instead of the vitamin E oil. You'll also need an applicator bottle. I have this 4-ounce applicator bottle that I got from my local beauty supply store. This was 99 cents. And you'll also need a funnel. I have this collapsible funnel here. This is just a small funnel that I got on the Wish app for $1. And you'll also need about 2 bowls. You'll need a medium to small bowl, and you'll need a large size bowl. So let's get started.